Welcome back. As we venture deeper into the 21st century, the role of artificial intelligence, AI, in shaping the educational landscape is becoming increasingly evident. The traditional methods of teaching and learning are being redefined, paving the way for a new era of schooling influenced by the advancements in AI. This article explores how AI is transforming the future of education, highlighting both the opportunities and challenges it presents, and providing a glimpse into what schooling might look like in this rapidly evolving AI era. The advent of AI in education. AI's integration into education is not just about the implementation of new technologies. It's a paradigm shift in how we approach learning. From personalized learning experiences to automated administrative tasks, AI is reshaping the educational environment, making it more efficient, inclusive, and adaptive to the needs of each student. The transformative impact of AI on schooling. Personalized learning pathways. AI algorithms can analyze a student's learning patterns and tailor the educational content to suit their individual needs, strengths, and weaknesses. Enhanced accessibility. AI-powered tools can provide equitable learning opportunities, breaking down barriers for students with disabilities or those in remote areas. Efficient administrative processes. Automation of administrative tasks allows educators to focus more on teaching and less on paperwork. Interactive and immersive learning. The use of AI-driven technologies like virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, can create immersive and interactive learning experiences. Data-driven insights. AI's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data can provide valuable insights into student performance and learning outcomes, aiding in more informed decision-making. Preparation for future careers. By integrating AI into the curriculum, schools can prepare students for a future where AI is an integral part of the workforce. Teacher assistance and development. AI can assist teachers by providing real-time feedback on student engagement and understanding, enhancing teaching strategies. Navigating the challenges. While the integration of AI in education promises numerous benefits, it also brings challenges such as ensuring data privacy, addressing ethical considerations, and the need for teachers to adapt to new teaching paradigms. Conclusion: shaping a future-ready generation. As we look towards the future of schooling in the era of AI, it is clear that education is on the cusp of a revolution. AI has the potential to transform classrooms into dynamic, personalized, and inclusive learning environments. However, this transition requires careful planning, ethical considerations, and continuous adaptation. By embracing AI in education, we are not just enhancing learning experiences, we are preparing a generation of students to be future-ready, equipped with the skills and knowledge to thrive in an AI-integrated world. For more insights into the future of education and the role of AI, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your thoughts and comments are valuable in this discussion. Together, let's explore and shape the future of schooling in the AI era. Check the description for additional resources and stay tuned for more educational content.